Okay, mga kasimanwa, andito tayo ngayon, kasama natin si GM Jomoy Fortich, mga
Electric Cooperative.
Ayun, oo. Ayan. Sir, salamat sa oras, no? Nakita natin kanina, sir, napaka-supportive po ninyo sa ating team po, sa Region 7, tama ho ba?
Yes po.
Okay, first time natin dito po, by the way, sa Aklan?
No, second time.
Second time na. Okay. Ano, sir, yung mga naging preparations natin bago tayo na sumabak sa game na to ngayong araw?
Yes, by the way, ako po yung presidente ng Central Visayas Electric Cooperative Association.
Okay.
Kaya po, andito tayo, todo suporta po sa contingent ng Region 7. As far as preparation is concerned, about a month ago, nag-usap-usap po kami mga GMs. To be honest, we no longer, hindi na kami dumaan sa regional competition.
Okay.
We just choose among the 10 electric cooperatives sa Region 7 kung sino yung magkukumpit. So out of the 10 ECs, 7 electric cooperatives ng Region 7 yung nagkukumpit. Tumadaan sa training, jogging every morning, of course, to ensure na they are physically and mentally prepared for this competition.
Ayan. So sa inyo, sir, bilang GM, ano po yung kahalagahan ng pag-join natin dito ngayon sa Rodeo 2025?
Well, this kind of activity will somehow motivate, encourage our linemen to do better sa respective work assignment nila. And by the way, just to let everybody know, yung Region Visayas Island po, composed of Region 6, Region 7, and Region 8. Sa National Rodeo, which was held in Misamis Oriental 2 years ago, yung Visayas Island po, yung national champion, yung overall champion. Kaya andito po sa island natin sa Visayas yung mga magagaling. So we're actually in the process of elimination kung sino yung magre-represent sa Visayas Island come June 4, 2025.
So magiging malaking preparations dito.
Yes, that's the national competition po. So yung winners ng Mindanao, winners ng Luzon, as well as yung winners ng Visayas will be competing for the national championship.
Ayan, sige sir, may wish tayong good luck sa ating mga kasama ngayon, sige?
Yes po, to all delegates from Region 6, Region 7, Region 8, thank you sa cooperation, thank you sa, by the way, sige, thank you po sa organizer, sa uncle ko, sa Region 6, sa Ecor 7. To be honest, in the last two hosting, the last time was in Cebu, the previous one was in Leyte. By far, this is the best hosting that we ever experienced. Maraming salamat po sa Ecor 6 at of course sa host natin, Akelco. Thank you.
Mabuhay tayong lahat. Maraming salamat. Good morning po.
Thank you.